This is a song about soft drinks and nothing else. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Hey guys, are your lips dry? Any desiccated ladies trying to get by? Well, the best way for the girls and the boys to come together and enjoy a little moisture. So you're waiting on the mate that's 1 in a million. In combination ain't the way that you envision. You say you're strange but baby shed you're inefficient. And let your date fit into something aluminium.
Delicate and eloquent and so effervescent. Subtle bubbles in my stomach feeling ever so pleasant. Never thought I'd find a girl with such a delicate essence. Free with the meal deal, the delicatessen. So you're sitting in the fridge with a twinkle. Are you a multi-pack can or are you single? A little sipping in his breath isn't sinful. I'm just finna get my finger in your ring pull. So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and take the busy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you're cursed with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Get lost in the froth as the phone expands. Get your loving while you're clocking out some only cans. Now you've seen other Payside galleries, but none of those girls taste like raspberries. So if you think we're just some obscene cannery, all our cans are over 18 calories. So give a spray for some flirtatious behavior. That come here, the hiss is what you came for. We've been brewing up a plethora of flavors. Say we're crude, you can never say we're tasteless. So if you drink it straight away the mixer, bring a Mr. or a Mrs. home for dinner. Everybody's got a different fizzle in that spritzer. What's the matter, what ingredients are on your sticker? I haven't met you all, but it's contextual. You're all impeccable, if it's consensual. If you're ace, then made pan flexible. End of the day when you're all pansexual. So slide your pennies in the vending machine of love and take that busy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you're cursed with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. We can semi-guarantee that we won't be banned. Get your loving while you're plugging on some only cans.
Over to Cambodia.
You can let the local flavor flow over you.
Getting down with the hard brown from me.
Love has never been so low sodium.
And looking like a snack, that's a kind of bait. And painting like a rack, that's a candy day. And sweet on your tongue, that's a candy cane. Can rockin' them guns, that's a cannonade. Feel that can in your heart, that's a cannula. Can't sin, disregard, that's a canister. Inquisitive can, that's a canvasser. Insensitive cans, cantankerous.
So slot your pennies in the vending machine of love and take that busy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you're cursed with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil.
Hey, don't touch, just hold the can.
Get your loving while you're clocking on some only cans.
So download Only Cans, the app for soda lovers. It's got very high ratings.
No, sorry, it's very hydrating. My mistake.